Hey guys! Alright, hold up. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Wolf Goes Boom, and I know I haven't uploaded in a week. School has just been really annoying. Today, I've got a special type of video. I've got my friend Chloe, she's from my school. And so basically we're gonna swap accounts, change up our outfits, all that good stuff. Hey YT, well, I'm done. So basically, she's in my account, and I'm in her account, and I've just changed her outfit a bit. As you can see, already changed my avatar, and I look fabulous. No, that's my account, and I have 200 Robux on it currently. Oh no, she's got full control over my account. What do we do? What do we do? Okay, you have welcome to... What? Yes, I do. So guys, we're gonna use her account to troll around and stuff like that. Just look at some of... Okay, I'm pretty sure I know how to look at these, and if she watches this video, she's gonna get really mad at me. Okay, so I've already kind of made her avatar a bit ugly, but I'm gonna make it worse. I need get rid of the hair. Okay, let's say make a beautiful avatar. You have 1 minute. Go. Alright, so we got 1 minute. Make a good avatar. Alright. Alright, so we're gonna put... Alright, right arm. Let's get rid of her body parts. Oh, this is gonna be beautiful. I don't know how she's not gonna like this. What is that? What is she wearing? Okay, wait. Let's turn her skin green. Hold up. Oh my god, this is hilarious. Alright, what shirts do we have? Overalls. This. She sent me anything. Oh my god, this suit is full on cringe. No, that doesn't look cringe enough. No. That looks good. Let's Google troller. Alright, let's Google a troll. Oh, what the hell? What's happening? Right, Google troller Roblox. Come on. Alright, there we go. That's what a troll looks like. So how do we get our body to look like that? I don't want any shit. No shirt. Oh my god. How do we make this more ugly? Let's get right on. Hold up. No, this is the one we don't wear on, actually. And then this one, we're gonna get it. What happens if we put a woman on? Oh my god. They both look pretty much the same. What happens if we put her really big? What happens if we put that? Oh my god. What? Spool up the width. Oh my god. And time's up. Alright, let's take a look at each other's clothes. She's gonna cry. Lol, it's me, the show. Ha ha ha, guys. What has she done to my account? What? That's not me! No! No! It's a beautiful. Like, what did she do to mine? You know, do it. Change up the hair. Refresh the page and check the hair. This is a masterpiece! This for 1 week, you know? Wait, what? She's gonna go, wait, what? Yes, I did. It's cool. I actually don't mind one. It's actually not too bad. But hers would be... Oh my god, how do you live with hers? God. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end that off. I'm gonna end off the video. Thank you guys for watching this video. This video was so much fun. It's quite late for me. I've got heaps of homework. I'm probably going to upload another video tomorrow on some kind of diss track or something. Thank you guys for watching this video. You guys are awesome. If you want to join the Wolfpack, hit that subscribe button. If you want to get someone else in the Wolfpack, make sure you share that video, this video, right here. Basically, I'm going to shout her out if she has this channel. Do you have a YG channel? I can shout. Oh, okay. She doesn't have a YouTube channel. I want to shout her out. But thank you guys for watching this video, Wolfpack. Make sure to hit the like button if you did enjoy. And I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow with my newest video. Peace out, Wolfpack.